What's up, guys? I wanted to share these photo sensors with you. I personally use these photo sensors and I have been using them for years. And for my outdoor lights, I connect them to my outdoor lights to save electricity. And let me explain what these are for those of you who don't know. So this is a photo sensor, and what it does is that it is sensitive to sunlight. As soon as there is sunlight, it disconnects the circuit inside it, so whatever you have connected it to, that thing will turn itself off. So because I use it and it works with your existing lights, like there are lights and things that have built in the sensor, but I wanted something separate so that I can use the lights of my own choice instead of being bogged down by the choices made already by the manufacturer. So it works with anything already there, mainly lights because that's the purpose of it, but you can use it with anything else. I have installed it with my lights, all outdoor lights that I turn on at nights and turn them off at day. I The problem was that uh, I am not a person who wakes up early in the morning. So what would happen is that all the outdoor lights which were on at night will remain on until I woke up and then turn them off. So maybe at 11 a.m. if I woke up late, and in some days even later than that. So many hours of electricity was wasted. I wanted to come up with a solution, and I came up with this one. These are very cheap. It on Amazon, each sensor costs you around $4, and on AliExpress it will be around $1 or $2. So you install, you use the existing wiring, just add a cut there and install it in between. You have red, white, neutral wire. This is the current wire, and then I think this is the earth wire. So you install it in between that. They also come with screws, and you can attach them along the wall, and in a way that the light of the light of the light itself doesn't come on this tip. Only the sunlight comes there. So you install it there, and after that your light, you turn on the light, and it remains automatic in the sense that during the night, as soon as there is dark, this sensor will connect the circuit and it will turn, the light will be turned on, and during the day it will automatically turn off the light because it will detect the light and use that current to disconnect the circuit. So I have installed it with all my outdoor lights, and I will show you I installed it in a bit. So I wanted to share it with you guys first. So let's go and let me show you where these are installed, and let me show you these in action as well. So let's go. All right, as you can see, this is a sensor, and if I turn on the slide, nothing happens. Like it will not turn on even if I press the button. The light will definitely not turn on. Let me turn on the two other lights for which I have already installed the sensor, and let's go if they turn on as well, because it is daylight, so they will definitely not turn on. See this light, it hasn't turned on even the button is on, and as you can see there, this is the sensor that is keeping it off because it is a photo sensor. It can easily detect there is light, so it will not let the current pass through. And as soon as there is a little bit light, it takes that energy, converts it into electricity to keep the connection broken. Same is for this light as well. So these kind of sensors, I have installed them on all areas and all outdoor lights, and they keep the energy to minimum. All right, I think now is enough dark. I mean, it's still not enough, but let's try it. I think it should work. Let's see. It takes a second, like the sensor takes a second to let the current pass, or decide if it is not letting it pass. Okay, there we go. As you can see, the light has turned itself on. Now let's try these globes, the ones on the gate. These are the two buttons. Let's see if they turn themselves on. It is still light outdoors, so let's see. Okay, one has turned on. The left one, I don't think the right one is going to turn on. Maybe I have to trigger the action manually by giving it a bit darker environment. Let's see. Let me give my hand. All right, there you go. So as you can see, as soon as I gave it a bit darker environment, it turned the light on, and you can see it on the left as well. And both of these lights, and not only these, all I have shown you all other lights, the ones that I haven't shown you, all of them have these sensors, and they turn on at night and turn themselves off at day.